Obituary. We are deeply saddened to hear about the untimely passing of Mr. LMIN Haokip, known for his contributions as both a gospel singer and a well-respected videographer with LMIN Media. His sudden illness and departure are a profound loss to the Kooky media community. Mr. Haokip's artistic talents and dedication to spreading the message of hope through gospel music and videography touched the lives of many. May his soul rest in peace, and may his legacy continue to inspire and uplift those who were fortunate enough to experience his work. During this difficult time, our thoughts and heartfelt condolences are with Mr. LMIN Haokip's family, friends, and the entire LMIN Media community. May you find strength and solace in the memories of his impactful life and the positive influence he had on others. Rest in peace. Kooky Universe, KYS.
Mukit na din,